I am Chasen Vanderig, recording for my Emerging Tech class, and this is my third technology over the useless web. The useless web is basically a website that you click a button and it takes you to literally useless websites. And I'm going to demonstrate this just by going through a few of them and showing you what it's like. So first you search the useless web, you click the first link and it will take you to this page, and you click on please, the big pink button, and it's just a random website that is useless. Go through another one. This one you just move the mouse, and need to put an epilepsy warning, but yeah, this isn't really useful because it's useless, and I just thought it'd be pretty fun to show off a website that can pass some time and can be pretty fun when you find the right website. So yeah.